Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talakdar Helpline. I'm Tyson.
And I'm Nova. We're so glad you could join us again. If you're listening for the first time, welcome to our learning family. We help you improve your English through real, everyday conversations.
Today's episode is all about practical English you can use in daily life. We'll explore 3 common situations where you can use simple but powerful phrases.
Now, first, we'll take a trip to the local market. Then, we'll have a friendly chat with a neighbor. And finally, we'll practice meeting someone for the first time and starting a friendship.
Before each conversation, we'll share 5 key words to help you understand better. If you want, grab a notebook and write them down. Ready, Nova?
Absolutely. Let's get started with the market.
Okay, here are our 5 useful words for shopping. First word, stall. A stall is a small stand where sellers display and sell their products. Example, the fruit stall near the entrance has the sweetest mangoes.
Second word, cashier. This is the person who takes your payment at the counter. Example, I asked the cashier for a paper bag.
Third word is discount. Discount means a lower price than usual. Example, these shoes are 20% off. What a discount.
Fourth word, bulk. Buying in bulk means purchasing large quantities at once. Example, it's cheaper to buy rice in bulk.
And the last word, ripe. This describes fruit or vegetables that are ready to eat. Example, these bananas are perfectly ripe.
Now, let's hear a short market conversation using these words.
Wow, the market is busy today. I can hardly move through the crowd.
Tell me about it. I've been looking for the spice stall for ages. Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's right next to the bakery near the back.
Perfect. Have you seen the tomatoes? They look ripe and fresh.
Yes, and they're offering a discount if you buy 2 kilos.
Great. I also need to buy rice in bulk for the month.
I think the bulk section is near the cashier.
Good to know. Should we pay together or separately?
Let's pay together. It'll save time. That's a very natural way to speak at a market. Notice how the words stall, cashier, discount, bulk, and ripe fit smoothly into the conversation.
And they also used polite questions like, do you know where it is? A very friendly way to ask for help.
Let's move on to our second everyday situation, chatting with a neighbor.
Here are our 5 helpful words. First, gate. This is a door in a fence or wall outside your house. Example, please close the gate so the dog doesn't get out.
Second, yard. The land around your house, often with grass or plants. Example, the children are playing in the yard.
Third, repair. To fix something that is broken. Example, I need to repair the roof before the rainy season.
Fourth, bill. A statement showing how much you have to pay for something. Example, our water bill was higher than usual last month.
And fifth, neighborly. Being kind and helpful to people who live near you. Example, bringing soup to a sick neighbor is a neighborly thing to do.
Now let's hear how neighbors might talk.
Hi, Tyson. How are you today?
Hey, Nova, I'm good, thanks. Just fixing the gate. It's been squeaky all week.
Oh, I know that sound. Your yard looks nice, by the way.
Thanks. I've been planting flowers. By the way, have your electricity bills gone up lately?
Yes, last month's bill was almost double.
Same here. I might need to repair some wiring.
That's a smart idea. Oh, we're having tea in our yard this weekend. Want to join?
I'd love to. Should I bring anything?
Maybe some biscuits. And bring your friendly stories too.
Deal. See you then.
Short, simple, and neighborly.
Exactly. Using small talk like this keeps relationships warm and friendly.
Now, let's talk about meeting new people and making friends.
Here are our last 5 useful words. First, greet, to say hello. Example, he greeted me with a smile.
Second, interest. Something you enjoy or want to know more about. Example, music is one of my main interests.
Third, invite, to ask someone to join an event or activity. Example, I invited her to my birthday party.
Fourth, outgoing. Someone who enjoys talking to new people. Example, he's very outgoing at social events.
And fifth, nervous. feeling worried or shy. Example, I'm nervous before giving a speech. Here's a friendly conversation between two people meeting for the first time.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Nova.
Nice to meet you, Nova. I'm Tyson.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time at this workshop?
Yes, I just moved here last month.
Welcome. How are you finding the city?
It's good, but I don't know many people yet. I guess I'm a bit nervous in new places.
That's normal. I used to feel the same way. What are your interests?
I like cooking, cycling, and reading.
I love cooking too. We should exchange recipes.
That sounds great. Maybe we can hang out sometime.
Sure, I can invite you to a food fair this weekend if you're free.
I'd love that. Thanks for being so welcoming.
And that's how you can turn a simple hello into the start of a friendship.
Exactly. It's all about being open, using friendly body language, and asking simple questions. So today we explored 3 real-life situations: shopping at a market, talking with neighbors, and meeting someone new.
In each situation, you learned 5 useful words and saw how they work in real conversations.
Remember, you don't have to memorize everything at once. Even using 1 or 2 of these words in your next conversation will help.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. They're proof that you're learning.
Thanks for joining us on Talakdar Helpline.
We'll be back soon with more natural English you can use every day.